Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures and Bad Buys, and we have got an unboxing to do today. And this box is from Coach. Coach bags are hit or miss. The last Coach bag I got, I was extremely unhappy with. The Coach heart bag with a glove tan leather, and I decided to send that one back. Or either I sold it, I forgot. So, let's see what this one looks like. And okay, and we will see what this one is. And then I don't know why they should be separate, but they certainly are well packed because they're the only bag in the big box. So, and it was a beautiful day outside, and I'm in my house dress, so I figured, hey, we'd go for it. This one is the silver Nolita bag, an Attila bag, something along those lines. It's, a lilac or lavender. It's a purple bag in sequins, and it just absolutely adorable. And I knew that it would be by the pictures online. This bag is $59 right now, which is a steal. It reminded me of my new Sequin Louis Vuitton from the LV Nights collection. And so, I am really excited about it. I think this is perfect for running down and out of the casino for spring days. And it is really cute. It's got a leather strap here that is detachable only on this side. Leather here, and leather on the bottom. And for reference, it's about the size of my hand. And I did notice on the website that it is big enough to hold a phone. Probably just big enough. And the interior is a beautiful burgundy color with a Coach logo patch on the inside. And I'll walk that up in just a minute and let you see that. Let's get all the stuff off of it. You can wear it as a shoulder bag, but I really wouldn't. I would just carry that. So that is a very, very, very cute bag. And the sequins are reversible, and it doesn't matter which way that you wear them. And they are just super, super cute. interior. So, a lot of little bag for your money there. Really, really, really cute. Just adorable. And this one is in black sequins. And that's the small shoulder bag, I believe. And it has leather all the way around. That's a pretty bag, guys. That is really pretty. I am super, super impressed. And see, like I said, with the Coach bags, you know, it's just, it really is just hit or miss with them. Some bags they do really well. Some bags they don't. And I am trying to be good with my money, and I'm sure like everybody else paying Christmas off. So I am saving for something that really strikes me right now. The only thing I want and that I see is one of the new capucines with the baby cappies. And so yeah, I better be saving my jackpots, be saving my coins for that one. In which it's a great deal if you're looking at a cappy, because $67, I believe, is what I paid for my capucine, mini capucine, and that was without the mini. And to have it available with the mini for that price really hurts. So this is the crossbody for this bag. And it is an adjustable strap. It is an adjustable leather strap. It had a leather zip pull. It has the same beige burgundy interior with a card slot pocket on this side, 2 card slot pocket on this side, and a full pocket on this side. It has the Coach logo patch, and it does come with a second strap to use as a top handle strap. Like I said, these bags really are a lot for your money, and they really, really are cute. And if sequence is your jam, and it is mine, then this will be right right up your alley. Thank you, Allie, my SA in Birmingham at Littleton Sachs, for inviting me to the event that they had today. And I'm sorry that I could not make it. And I'll see you soon, girl. But yes, see, just two beautiful, stunning little bags from Coach. And I will list the item numbers, descriptions, and links, and all that stuff on the website. And I hope wherever you are in the world that peace and love will find you. And I hope you have all you ever dreamed of. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I do one of these unboxings. Whenever they come in, we put the hair up and we go to it. And so, thanks guys. Love you. See you on the next unboxing or the next gaming video, maybe.